Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Denise, Ashley, and today we'll be learning how to make mangoneadas. So don't forget to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. So first you'll go ahead and need 2 mangoes. You'll need chamoy. I have the Mega Original for this one. We have sugar. 4 cups of water is what you need. I already have 2 in the blender and then 2 right here. You need 1 entire mango as well, so that'll make it a total of 3, but these are diced up. And then we have 5 sticks here, and then 5 cups. And then we have a cutting board and a knife. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's see. So first you'll have to go ahead and cut up your mangoes. Now I actually just finished cutting up the 2 mangoes, so we're going to go ahead and put these in the blender. Okay, so now we have the mangoes in the blender. We're going to go ahead and add the 2 more cups. So we're going to add the sugar. And now we're going to go ahead and blend it. Okay, so I think I blended that for maybe about 20 seconds or so. Now after you blend it, you're going to go ahead and get your 5 cups. Now, usually when I make this recipe with like 2 mangoes, 4 cups of water, the sugar, and then 1 entire mango diced up, usually I do about 10 cups. But of course that all depends on how much you fill it up. I don't like to have too much. I think I put usually around this much. But this time we'll go ahead and fill them up a little bit more. Just so you can see how much you'll get when you do 5 cups. So first we're going to go ahead and add the chamoy in the cups. So you can put as much as chamoy you like. I like a little bit. I don't like too much. I'd rather have people put some more if they like more after. But I usually put like 2-3 drops. Okay, and then after you put that, usually what I do, I just turn the cup around. Just so I can get it all over. Again, that's very little. I don't like that much chamoy, just because too much sugars and stuff. So I like to keep it a little on the healthy side. Just put a little bit more on this one since I do have some chamoy lovers in this house. So. Let's go ahead now and add the diced up mangoes. So you can put as much as you like. Again, usually this 1 whole mango is for like 10 cups that I put. But since we only have 5 today, then we'll have a lot more, which is a lot more tastier. Okay, now that we have all the mangoes, the diced mangoes in the cups, I like to add a little bit of Tajin, just it gives it a little flavor and it's really good. So again, it all depends how much you would like to put. So now that we have the Tajin in the cups, we're going to go ahead and start pouring the mango that's blended here with the water and the sugar into these cups. Okay, so now we have our cups here. They're all set and ready to go. Now all we need is just to put our sticks in there. And they're all ready to go. So now we just have to go ahead and put them in the freezer and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so the mangoneadas are finally done. I left these mangoneadas for about 4 hours in the freezer and they're completely done. Now some people do leave them for 24 hours just so they can be really frozen, but this is the final product. And again, usually you just go like this with your hands when they're really frozen so you can bring it out with the stick and just eat it like papaleta. Really delicious. I really hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to go ahead and give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.